Hi guys, it's me Tiffany, also known as Talker Tiffy, and today I'm here with another unboxing video. Today what I'll be unboxing is my new vlog camera, which is the Canon M50 Mark II. What I have with me today is the box. In which the bundle deal arrived in. Your girl is very much into package promotions, so let's open it and check it out. Okay, it looks like this. Also, this is a fairly light camera. The Canon M50 Mark II is about 400 grams or 300 grams plus. So the box is here. Let's go through the contents. We have the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It comes with a kit lens of 15 to 45 mm. We also have the SanDisk Ultra SD HDG 32GB. We have a mini octopus gorilla pod. We have a Boya by one universal microphone, a Kumiko UV protection filter, a Kelly G cleaning kit, one wide-angle lens, one step ring in all size, and includes postage charge. So I paid 3,150 ringgit for all of these, which I think is not too bad. Here we will unbox our camera. This is the Canon EOS. This is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Comes in this box. Ta-da! So this is the warranty details that I can register my camera on. The Canon app, the user manual guide. We have the camera body, which is so small and compact. This looks to be the bag. As I did in my last review, I'm a fan of these free bags. So this is a red Canon one. The zipper is not the best quality, but this is very cushy, plush, and padded. Quite compact as well. It is the size of my head. Comes with this wire. Here's the charger. So the thing about this camera is that you have interchangeable lenses. So you have this lens, and you have the Canon strap. So this is the camera itself. In my box, I also have an optical filter, cleaning equipment. You get this cleaning thingy, cloth, and a... Ooh, look, it's a little brush pen thing. And this is an 85mm lens. Next, we have the tripod. This is really light, like super light. Yes, it is one of those gorilla-y ones that you can like imagine if this was a table, right? And then you can. It comes with a 32GB memory card. Lucky draw contest announcement. So I got mine from Promax Digital. I bought it off Lazada. I'll put up the link in the description box below so you guys can check it out, as well as the picture here of the listing. This is another invoice. This is the Boya BY-MM1, the one that sticks on top of your camera. If you guys have been watching my videos, you'll know that the recent ones have had subtitles put in because I've heard from you guys that the audio is not too great. Hopefully this fluffy dead cat rectifies that. The fluffy thing does come off, and then it comes with this wire thingy, this thingy, this thingy, a bunch of thingies, and that's all of it in the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like a review. I will be using this camera to record more things, so you may not need a review, you just may want to subscribe so you can watch future videos filmed with the M50. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!